diesel.
I get it. Oh, wait, that.
Disconnected.
You never see. We see double locomotives a lot, just not connected.
No, that was my first not connected. That was like. Well, 7,000. Meter of
Yeah, we're not gonna get to see it, like at all.
as an express.
Yeah, either way, we're not
It's
seeing it.
going slow because the Is this like the first multi-level or something? Oh my god. And now they're coming out with that new multi-level. 642. Oh, here comes the Duracell. Not 642. Oh boy. Here it comes.
Yeah, here it comes.
Go.
Leave! Leave! Leave already! God damn it! Leave! Okay, whatever. I'm done.
642.
Whatever, I'm done.